Today is site prep for our barn coming. Let's check on the chicks and see how they're doing really quick. They're doing great. So our barn is 8 foot by 16. So I've got a chalk line. We're gonna figure out exactly where it's going. We need a level, get it leveled and prepped. We're gonna definitely need a bunch of gravel. And we were thinking about renting a tractor. We're not going to. We'll see if we can get it done without renting a tractor. Okay, so this is gonna be the outside retaining wall. And then we're gonna fill it in with gravel. I definitely got way too much gravel, but you can always use gravel. Plus it was $75 for the delivery, so I figured I'd get more than I needed. So I'm gonna go set this stuff up over here and get it going. So I had double checked the contract because I thought it was 8 by 16. It's actually 10 by 16. So I'm glad that I double checked it. I'm gonna go to 11 feet. We have an extra foot on the front and the back. I got the outline sprayed. I'm gonna have me paint, so just use this one. Now I'm gonna dig it. Not too bad here, just a little bit down on this side. Dig that down over here and get it stamped out. So this seems like a really good time to mention that this channel is not sponsored by anyone. I am totally open to sponsorships. If you have a tractor company, I would love to be sponsored by a tractor company. So, just throwing it out there. Tired of digging holes. I need a tractor. Alright, back at it today. Got my batteries charged up right here, which is great. We're going to put in more of the rebar and then fill this in with gravel. I think I'm going to have to dig out that middle section though. I stole your rake. Okay, before I was doing this, I was actually going to build up the ground. I don't know what I was thinking because, geez, that would have been a lot of digging. But now I have to take the ground that I brought in and move it out because I want to have more gravel so that it's not compacting. And so everything looks really good. I've got these rebar. I hit a rock right here, so I just bent it over. But this thing's not going anywhere. Solid as rock. You're almost done. Just gotta finish the whole pile, okay? Got the kids being good fillers. You're doing awesome. It's ready. Tomorrow they're gonna drop it off. Exciting. Here's how it turned out. It got delivered, and the few things, when they delivered it, they slid it on there, and it was not delivered how I'd seen other places delivered. So when they delivered it, it definitely dug into the ground on that side, because it was not, like, I compacted it, but it could have been a lot more compacted, right? This is super, super heavy. So despite compacting it, it still dug in there, which caused it to be a little bit unlevel this direction. So that's one thing. Especially the ground was super soft over here when he was delivering, and so it was definitely not like the easiest thing to get on here. So if it was a lot drier, I feel like it would have not been such an issue. But because it's early spring, it was soft ground, and the dampness of the ground caused it to sink in there. So other than that, though, I think it went really well. It obviously would have been a lot easier had I had a skid loader or an excavator, but considering that I didn't, total cost of it was $64 times 4 plus about 4 yards of gravel. Overall, I think it was really good. It looks great around here. I'm going to be putting something around the outside just to finish it up a little bit, make sure we don't get critters living underneath it. But overall, it's really nice. I love it. So here's the inside of our barn. Got 10 foot by 16 foot. It's ready to go. It's really nice. We got a lot of room. I'm going to be putting shelves up here. We're going to be putting a grow table and a milking stand right over here so that we can have our goats and milk them and everything. But it's a really nice barn. I'm excited. Got to build a ramp for the front so the animals can walk in easily, and be great. So if you have any questions, though, let me know in the comments. Happy to help. Happy to answer. And please subscribe if you are interested in homesteading, building, or kind of anything DIY like that. Thanks so much and have a good one.